Welcome once again. I remain Acham Winfred Valley. As I promised in the first video, that I'll be taking you through some Google applications, and today we are on Gmail. And Gmail is a Google's free email service. It offers a variety of features: storage, search, spam filtering, labels and filters, and so on. And for that, I'll be showing you here. I'll be opening a new tab and a new tab. As you can see, this is, you click on Gmail, it is still loading, and here we go. This is my Gmail. These are the messages in my Gmail. So in the Gmail here, you want compose, meaning you want to write a new message and send it to another person. So here it is showing us new message, and here too, meaning you'll be writing the email address of someone whom you are writing to. For example, if I want to send it to Nana Shifa 2 at gmail.com. So it brings here. So if you have ever sent an email to such a person, as you are typing in here, the email will appear down here automatically. As you can see, nanashifa2@gmail.com. And here we have options: send an email, send message, send a video meeting invite. So this takes us back to the Google Meet. So the services provided by the Google, particularly the Google applications, they integrate with each other. As I said before, this one, the email also integrates with the Google Meet. The Google Meet also integrates to the Gmail. So here you can send a video meet, then you will be inviting Shifanana to a video meeting using sending a video meeting invite. And this is a signature. If you want to go around with making your signature, you come down here. It is showing you that insert a signature if you don't have one, but for my case, I have one here. My signature is my name. I'm a student doing this program, and this is my contact. That is what it shows here. If you want to create a signature for yourself, you come here, that manage signature, and you wait for a moment. The settings will appear as you have seen from here: setting, general settings. Then you scroll downwards. When you scroll downwards, that's where you will find the option for signature. As you see it here, it is signature, meaning you come and write your signature. So for me, for my case, I can either edit my signature and change it to something else. Anything I want to edit from here, I can edit it. As you can see, that is particularly what you can do with the signature if you want to create one for yourself. And we come back here, we were talking of labels. You click on this plus sign, it is telling you that enter a label. Please enter a new label name, then next label name, then you create. By so doing, you would have created a new label, and in the label it groups your email addresses, the ones you have in your Gmail. And if there are some hidden messages you want to see, you click on more. Then after clicking on more, you come here to spam. When you click on it, that the messages which are not allowed to come directly to your inbox, they will go to the spam. That's what will happen. That's where the messages will appear. So if you want to view them, you just simply go there. That is particularly what I can tell you about the Gmail. Thank you very much for being with me and for being there for me. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.